Okay, so these are the changes I'd like to see for the document upload. A couple things. So first, let's get with naming. So if it's the contract, it should say contract. So the name. So we'll have this just say, like, it doesn't need to say the name of the file. It'll just say contract. So you don't need to have the one. I don't think we'll need the one. Probably just a bullet. So bullet says contract, and then remove, and then it would be linked. And then the same with whatever the name of the document type. On Amazon, we'll have it be the quote number dash the name of the file, like the type, and then next is a timestamp. But then onto this upload and how this will work. I would like to have the progress, and basically what it'll do, it will upload to the server initially, and that's where it will serve it from. So we'll just have it upload to the server, and that's what gets entered into the database, so that 100%, when it hits 100%, it should be done. Then we're going to have a script that, like, every 5 minutes or 10 minutes moves that contract to S3. So it moves the contract to S3 and then updates the database that now you can grab it from S3. When you click on the contract, see how we get a stall? As soon as you click on it, I want to see that Spielwind, or that spinning wheel. And then once that download, like you saw it initiated that, then we can have the spinning wheel go away. And then for removes, that can just remove it from the database. We can leave it in S3. We don't have to move it to a different location, because once it gets removed from the database, or not so much removed, but marked as been removed, that link's always going to be different. We don't need to move it. It's on S3. We can find it again. That's fine. And we'll know where to get it. So that should help with, like, then that remove. When we click it, that should be instantaneous. We don't have to wait for the API to go, to Amazon, move a file, and do all this stuff. Basically, click the remove. It could do the spinning wheel like normal, like that. It's thinking. Then once it gets the response from the API, it is updated database, i.e., setting that to be deleted. And that should go away. We don't have to do any changes to S3. So just to go back over that, so when we do a document upload, that's going to upload it to the server and initially serve it from the server. So as soon as that 100% finishes, it's on the server. It can then serve it from the server. Then we have a script in the background that's going through and moving those files to S3. So the customer is not waiting for any of that. It moves it when it goes to S3. Then it's going to serve it from S3. Otherwise, it serves it directly from the server. So that should fix that uploading issue. Should be a lot faster for the customer. Also, when we remove, we don't need to move it to a different folder like we were doing for S3. We can leave it where it is, because we're going to have the naming where it's going to be the quote, then the type of file, and then it's going to be a timestamp. So we're not going to have any overlaps. They can all be in one folder. That's fine. Or the same like location where we had it, like QA/quote/ the name. And then also, what it shows to the customer, it should just say contract, and then it should just say document type 2, document type 3, and not the name of the file that they uploaded, just the type of file that's located on the server for them. So hopefully that makes sense, and I think it should streamline and fix a bunch of stuff.